No! Shut up! No! Get that camera out of my face. I didn't give you permission. Oh my God.
Cut the music. Well. Alex, looks like we're in enemy territory. Home of the Alabama Roll Tide. But let's just state the facts. We all know that LSU is way better than Alabama will ever be.
You know what? We can skip over all the little baby kidding. Oh, Alabama sucks crap. Let me tell you something. Every single one of you white trash hicks in this crowd tonight make me absolutely sick. Shut up! You know, we come all the way out here, long drive, and we're sort of expecting some kind of competition. However, it kind of seems like there's nobody here. What? Is that all you got, you dumb marks? Let's go ahead and cut to the chase. If there's anybody back there right now who wants a piece of this, you come your ass down and we'll give you some. Cut the music! Cut that dang music! What is this? Is this furry convention? Who let this guy in here? Oh my God. This place is a freaking crap show. Anyway, you know, you come out here all by yourself and you're big and bad with your little cape and your little shooters, and I just don't know what you're expecting me to feel for you. Do you want to fight us? Because I'm fight you. Fight us. Can you? No, I didn't think so. I don't want to fight you. I want to put y'all down where y'all belong. Oh, shut up. Hold on. I might not be a rocket scientist, son, but the last time I checked, there's two of us and one of you.
Whoa. Who said I came alone? I always have people in my corner. do one of these fat frogs. Go ahead. I'll get you a seat. Bring the guy out. Let me introduce you.
Better recognize the real child, baby. Time to put him in the hot seat. Let's go! Hey, turn that off.
Alright, so as mentioned, since the Silver Mane Travis Mason has the realest Lash LaFleur, this is a tag team title match scheduled for one fall.
It sounds like they're chicken.
And it's a 10-minute combo. Hope you guys can last.
Last love flare. Come on, last love flare. champ.
Celebrate.
And
Pop the bottle.
And that you better recognize. Cause the wolf always hunts. Yeah.
What's up?